I'm a proud parent at Prime Prep Academy. I have a 7th grader and a 9th grader. I'm so happy to be at Prime Prep Academy. My students love it here. It's small classrooms. They love the atmosphere here. The teachers are wonderful. They love the technology here. They get the extra help they need. The parents have great rapport with the teachers. I have no problems when I enter Prime Prep. It's a family atmosphere, the athletics, everything about Prime Prep is everything I ever wanted in a school. As an educator myself, I can't ask for any more as a school atmosphere it could be. This is more than I could ever want for my students. I homeschooled my son last year, and it's everything in as a homeschool atmosphere because it's that small classroom. It's not a large classroom of students, it's small. And I love that. And I love the academics here. It's just a wonderful school to be at.